Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on this massive police station that they're building in Westmoreland. It's definitely a mega development in Jamaica. Now the government is spending billions of dollars to improve on the police stations in Jamaica, renovate some basically, and build new ones. They have announced plans to build 7 new police stations, and they are going to announce shortly the building of an eighth. Now, these are modern police stations with state of the art equipment. Like this one in Westmoreland, it's going to be the largest police station built in Westmoreland. It's going to be the largest police station in Westmoreland. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives some information on the groundbreaking for the new police station. But there's something I want to ask you guys. Why or how is it this government can build so many police stations, yet previous governments couldn't do it? I don't really want to get into the politics because we're not a political channel. But we have to ask the question, how is it they're able to build 8 new police stations, build hospitals, as what, about 5 new hospitals they're building? I think it's 10 tax offices they're building or renovating. I'm just curious, why do you guys think it is this government is able? Let's focus on the police station. That's what we're talking about today. How is it they're able to build 8 new police stations, yet previous governments couldn't do it? I'm asking you guys, leave your comments, leave your leave your answers in the comment section below, because I'm just I don't know, it's just something I was thinking about when I read this article. Okay. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update on the new Westmoreland Police Headquarters. Ground was broken in Savamar for the construction of the new 2.17 billion Westmoreland Divisional Police Headquarters. Ground was on Friday, March 15, broken in Landivo, Savamar for the construction of the new 2.7 billion Westmoreland Divisional Police Headquarters. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security Honorable Dr. Horace Chang headed the officials participating in the engagement. The 3-story building that will span 64,970 square feet will be designed to accommodate specialized units and coordinate operations across the 11 police stations in Westmoreland. The new headquarters will further integrate state-of-the-art security technologies in alignment with the e-policing initiatives and facilitate improved response times and interactions with citizens, as well as enhance police presence in the division to promote public order. Among the scope of works are several amenities including a sewage treatment plant, standby power plant, fire protection facilities, elevators, guardhouse, parking lots, cabling infrastructure for internet and telephone connectivity, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. The project being executed under the National Security Ministry's Project Rebuild, Overall and Construct initiative forms part of efforts to bolster crime-fighting interventions in Westmoreland by developing police infrastructure, thereby addressing the growing need for effective policing services consequent on population growth and evolving criminal activities. In his address during the ceremony, Dr. Chang emphasized the importance of investigating in law enforcement and maintaining public order. One of the challenges facing law enforcement was that our officers were made to work in absolutely deplorable conditions across the country. They were given abandoned buildings, such as old teachers' cottages, to occupy. In fact, there was no new building of police stations, Dr. Chang explained. So, in discussion with the police commissioner and the police staff, we realized that this was not modern policing. Policing is a profession, and like every other profession, they require facilities that reflect the demand of policing. So we set about doing it, and today on the ROC, there is a standard requirement for every single repair that we do and every new station that we build, he added. Dr. Chang pointed out that when completed, the new Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters will be equipped with all the necessary features for efficient policing operations. He maintained that Westmoreland is deserving of a strong and efficient police force in combating crime and reiterated the government's commitment to providing the resources needed to support law enforcement efforts. Alright guys, so that is the latest on the new police headquarters for Westmoreland. We will keep you guys updated on this project. We will give you monthly updates on it. We're actually going to go to Westmoreland and give you the actual footage of the construction. We're just giving you an update today. So this is actually the Southern Coastal Highway that we're driving on. Another mega project that's on the way in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.